Thank you for tuning into today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, the host will explore a critical strategic decision for medical device manufacturers in Singapore, transitioning the role of Health Sciences Authority, or HSA, Registrant from a commercial distributor to an independent, third-party representative. In Singapore, all medical devices, except for the lowest risk, Class A devices, must be registered on the Singapore Medical Device Register, the SMDR. A key requirement from the HSA is that the entity holding this registration, known as the Registrant or Local Authorized Representative, must be a local company based in Singapore. This company is responsible for all regulatory interactions, including post-market surveillance and vigilance reporting. For many foreign manufacturers, the most straightforward path to market entry seems to be appointing their chosen commercial distributor as this local registrant. However, this convenience can quickly become a significant business obstacle. When your distributor is also your registrant, they own and control your product registration. This means your market access is legally tied to your commercial relationship with that specific partner. If you decide to switch distributors for any reason, poor performance, strategic realignment, or finding a better partner, you cannot simply transfer the registration. The original distributor holds the license, and you may be forced to start the entire costly registration process from scratch with a new representative, causing significant market disruption and loss of revenue. This creates a situation of distributor lock-in, where your regulatory compliance is held hostage by your commercial agreement. The strategic solution is to decouple these two functions by appointing an independent entity to act as your local authorized representative. This third party's sole responsibility is to manage your regulatory obligations and hold the product registration on your behalf. You, the manufacturer, retain full ownership and control of your license. This model provides immense commercial flexibility, allowing you to appoint multiple distributors or change them as your business strategy evolves without ever jeopardizing your product's legal status in the Singaporean market. The process of changing from a distributor registrant to an independent one is not a simple transfer. It typically requires the new, independent representative to submit a completely new product registration application to the HSA through their MedTech online portal. A critical document in this process is a new letter of authorization from you, the product owner, designating the new firm as your representative. Upon successful review and approval of the new application, the previous registration held by the former distributor is cancelled. This transition must be managed carefully, and success often depends on the cooperation of the outgoing distributor, highlighting the importance of clear exit clauses in initial distribution agreements. Based on the latest HSA guidance from January 2024, ensuring all documentation aligns with current standards is paramount for a smooth process. If you need assistance navigating global market access challenges, including registrant requirements in Singapore, we invite you to explore our services at Pure Global. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.